Jonang Dharma asserts that all knowable objects are pervaded by emptiness and inherent absence. You may ask, if the consummate nature is truly existent, does it exist as something that arises, abides, and ceases? Does it come or go, change or disappear? Does it have spatial or temporal dimensions? Is it singular or is it a plurality? It is none of those. If something were to have those characteristics, it would follow that it does not really exist. This consummate nature has no connection to any such conventional phenomena. It is not something that arises, abides, and ceases, comes or goes. It is not singular, nor is it a plurality. It is neither a cause nor a result. In terms of its own nature, it preludes the triad of definition, definiendum, and illustration. Since it is free from all conceptual elaborations, such as being something with spatial or temporal dimensions, the consummate nature is inherently permanent, because it cannot be divided into discrete pieces. It is partless. Since it is the dharmata of all phenomena, it is said to be omnipresent and all-pervading.
For more information on what Jonang Dharma says about the ultimate reality, please visit our website at jonangdharma.org. And if you like our video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.